Morris Press Cookbooks offers a large variety of recipe formats, everything from casual to elegant. All recipe formats are free, although our discount recipe format F15 will actually save you 20 cents per book. Formats cannot be changed in any way, including type style, although some formats offer artwork options. If you want a custom recipe format, submit your recipe pages and all other cookbook pages press ready. You'll need to follow our press ready guide, which can be printed from the download center of our website. Also, watch our Step 2 video, Collect and Submit Recipes, for more details. All cookbook pages are printed in black ink on our premium, bright white 60-pound paper, unless you prefer cream paper, which is an extra charge. There are many options to enhance your recipe pages. You may group your recipes within categories by using subcategories for an extra charge. For example, desserts could be subcategorized into bars, pies, cakes, and so on. If you use Type and Save, select subcategories in the setup. Watch our Step 2 video, Collect and Submit Recipes, for more details if we typeset your recipes. Printing recipes continuously from page to page, breaking recipes where necessary, uses the maximum amount of space on each page. Printing recipes non-continuously does not split recipes from page to page. This option is available with most of our recipe formats and is an extra charge. If you want to include fillers on your recipe pages, you must choose the non-continued recipe option. Fillers are text or artwork placed at the bottom of recipe pages to fill space. For this reason, they cannot be recipe specific. We offer 9 stock filler sets, each containing 60 or more fillers. Choose from inspirational quotes, food facts, Bible verses, church art, food art, and more. Fillers are an extra charge. If you prefer, you may submit custom fillers. Custom text fillers such as quotes or sayings are limited to 375 characters. Custom art fillers must be line art only. Do not submit artwork with shades or screens. Artwork printed from color printers, pencil drawings, photos, or artwork with fine detail. Most artwork will be reduced to approximately 1 inch tall, so fine detail can be lost. If you use Type and Save, you may type text fillers and upload custom art fillers as you create your cookbook. If we typeset your recipes, you may submit custom fillers as high-resolution digital files or hard copies. Recipe notes are non-recipe content that pertains to a recipe. Anything other than ingredients, directions, contributor name, serving size, and recipe title is a recipe note. This may include suggested uses, history of the recipe, and nutritional information. Recipe notes are an extra charge and cannot exceed 375 characters. If you use Type and Save, choose recipe notes in your setup, and contributors can add them as they enter recipes. If we typeset your recipes, contributors can include recipe notes on the recipe collection sheets. Recipe symbols identify recipes with special importance and are available for an extra charge. The symbol is printed directly after the recipe title on the recipe page, and a symbol reference key is placed on the table of contents page. If you use Type and Save, choose this feature in your setup, and contributors can add them as they enter recipes. If we typeset your recipes, print the recipe symbol sheet from the download center of our website and paste or tape the appropriate symbol onto the recipe collection sheet. Contact us if you have questions or need assistance. Our goal is to help you create a beautiful cookbook everyone will be proud to own. We provide all the ingredients for success.